Once upon a time, in a quaint little town named Willowbrook, there lived a young girl named Emily. She was known for her radiant smile and kind heart, but Emily carried a deep sadness within her. It stemmed from the loss of her parents when she was just a baby. She had been raised by her grandmother, who had passed away a year ago, leaving Emily feeling truly alone in the world. One afternoon, while cleaning out her grandmother's attic, Emily stumbled upon a dusty, old wooden box. Curiosity got the better of her, and she opened it to find a beautiful locket nestled inside. The locket had an intricate design, and when she opened it, she discovered two faded photographs, one of her parents and the other of her grandmother. With tears in her eyes, Emily clutched the locket close to her heart, realizing that it was the family she had never truly known. She decided to wear it as a reminder of the love she had lost and to cherish the memories of those she had loved. As days turned into weeks, something magical started happening. Whenever Emily wore the locket, she began to notice small, inexplicable changes in her life. Her garden, which had always struggled to grow anything, suddenly flourished with vibrant flowers of all colors. The townspeople remarked on how her smile seemed to light up the darkest corners of their town. One afternoon, while Emily was sitting in the park, she met a young boy named Oliver. He was new to Willowbrook, having moved there with his family recently. Oliver was shy and had trouble making friends, but when he saw Emily, he felt an instant connection. Emily and Oliver spent their days exploring the town together, discovering its hidden treasures and sharing stories of their families. Emily sensed that the locket had a magical aura around it, and she believed it was responsible for the newfound happiness in her life. However, as time passed, Emily started to feel guilty. She knew that the locket belonged to her grandmother, and she wondered if it was selfish of her to keep it. In her heart, she felt that her grandmother would have wanted her to share the locket's magic with others. One day, she decided to test her theory. She took off the locket and gifted it to Oliver, explaining its history and how it had brought joy to her life. Oliver was touched by the gesture and put the locket around his neck. Instantly, a warm feeling spread through his heart, and a smile stretched across his face. From that day on, the magic of the locket seemed to double. Oliver, now Emily's closest friend, became a beacon of happiness in Willowbrook. The locket's power spread through the town, bringing joy and comfort to its residents. People came together, and the once somber town began to flourish with life and laughter. Emily knew then that she had made the right decision. The locket had been a gift from her grandmother, and like all gifts, it was meant to be shared. In giving it away, she had not lost anything. Instead, she had gained something much greater, the happiness of an entire community and a lifelong friend. And so, the legacy of the Forgotten Locket lived on, reminding everyone in Willowbrook that even in the darkest of times, a little act of kindness could create a world of magic and love.